Today I want to give you some introduction of my one more tool. That tool is called electrical pneumatic action nailer. Nailer and multi nailer tool. Anyway, the name of this one is written here, multi nailer. So that is an electrical tool, that is an electrical nailer, a very unique item. I could not find it anywhere easily. Either this is a product of a Canadian Tire, but I cannot find it, this one. This portion from here to here, everything is up to here is electrical. There all switches and everything is here, and there is a one motor here inside. But from this one to this piece, that is a mechanical and a pneumatic portion. This portion, they have a one pneumatic cylinder and one pneumatic hammer inside. So that one have a, as usual, trigger switch. That is a lock for this. That is a locking switch. You can do it from here, from one thing. From here to open this one, this portion. From this one you press it here, it will pull it all the way inside from here. Anyway, so that is the one option right now. That is another one, that is a switch. So if you will see it, that switch have a number 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one have a 4 setting all the way in, number 1, and number 4 it will left a little bit amount on it. The head of the nail, it will lay this one first, and I put it inside. It is easy from here. They say here, but it is easy, very easy to hold it from here by yourself. If you will see inside, there is a head inside. That you can see head, round one. Can you see it? Okay. So that head is here, and that clamp that hold it, that nail easily. Okay, so now I'm going to put it inside. Check it. All the way in. Now I'm going the another one. That is a little bit bigger than. The way in. Now I'm going to put it a 5-inch long, and let's see it will work or not. Anyway, okay, let's see. Straight, all the way straight, all 5-inch long is gone inside. I cannot find it anywhere. Either on Canadian Tire, I cannot find it. Thank you.